I redid the sound test for this product, so why not re-review it? Here is the review and unboxing for the Nixeus Moda V2 mechanical keyboard. Alright, so the keyboard comes in this really nice packaging. It has Nixeus certified mechanical switches, a long lasting life, a 3-year limited warranty, as well as a few features on the back, which you can take a look at if you would like. But I'm just gonna get right into the review. So right out of the box, we have the keyboard itself, along with a quick start guide, a Nixeus warranty card, and we have the keyboard itself packaged in with some foam and some plastic. Now, this keyboard is specifically the Kailh blue switches, but they do have them for the Kailh browns and the Kailh reds, if I am not mistaken. Now, putting the box aside, we have a little bag here as well, which has which has 2 Apple keys to switch out with the function key and the Windows key. And we have a nice keycap puller, which is very nice. Even though I like the wired keycap pullers better, the plastic keycap puller does do its job. So this is a 10 keyless keyboard, so you're missing your number pad and all the keys around it. Otherwise, this is a really nice keyboard layout, nice long backspace, enter, shift, and no weird things done to the actual keyboard. We'll start off with the cable. We have around 2 meters or 6.6 feet of rubberized cable with a nice little Velcro attachment and a USB 2.0 connector. And now we're actually going to start off on the back of the keyboard. On the back of the keyboard, for the wire channel, we can either route it out the front, the left side, or the right side. Definitely 2 thumbs up, because I definitely do like those routing areas. We have 4 rubberized feet when the keyboard is on the lower section, and when raised, we have 2 feet to give it a little bit more incline, and those tips are fully rubberized. Definitely nice. So moving back along to the front of the keyboard, we have a small little Nixeus name on the bottom. And then we have these pretty standard layout. So these are the Kailh blue switches, specifically on this model. And you can definitely check out the sound test for this video, which should be down in the description. I'm just dropping all the keys today. And yeah, so this is a brushed aluminum finish on the back of the keyboard. And the brushed aluminum gives it a nice sturdy feel. And it gives it a nice high quality look, even though this keyboard is only around $50, somewhere around that range. Anyways, we have a few things that you can use with the function modifier on the bottom of the keyboard. Function Windows key will disable the Windows key button for gaming. Function F1 to F4 are your play, pause, etc. And function F5 to F7 will be your volume rockers. Function F9 will give you N key rollover, which is definitely nice for gamers, so that's definitely 2 thumbs up for that. Otherwise, it's a very simple layout to the keyboard. They have these really nice keycaps, which are very smooth and pleasant to type on, although they do get dirty over time, so that's just something to keep in mind when you're purchasing this keyboard. Now, this keyboard is very, very nice, especially for the price. This is a great entry-level keyboard, since it's only around $50 to $70, depending on where you buy it. So this is definitely great if you're just getting into the mechanical keyboard market, or you're just looking for something to use at gaming conventions or stuff like that, since this keyboard is so great and so compact without the number pad. Now, I must say, it is a lot more comfortable having the mouse right here, even though I don't use the number pad quite often. I was able to get used to the top keys fairly easy. Alright, so the keyboard is currently plugged in, and the LED indicators for the Windows lock key is a blue LED behind the actual keycap, so you can definitely tell when you have the Windows lock key on and off. We have 2 indicators for num lock and scroll lock on the top right of the keyboard, again in a blue LED. Anyways, just for a tip from Nixeus, I would like to see maybe a more expensive version featuring maybe some LED backlight. Just maybe a subtle blue or a subtle white would definitely make this a lot better. And for $20, I would definitely pay more because of the nice brushed aluminum finish, because of the nice simplistic design of the keyboard, and because of how good of a price it is, and because of how nice the keyboard is overall. All the media keys, really nice, you know, rubberized feet and everything like that. Definitely 2 thumbs up. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure you go check out the sound test for this video down in the description so you can kind of hear what the Kailh Blue switch is and what this keyboard specifically sounds like, and a little bit of a look under the hood of the Kailh Blue switches. Anyways, make sure to go check out Nixeus down below. Hopefully Nixeus is watching this video so they can kind of take those little ideas that I've given them. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.